Hello, I am live. I am live. Alright. So I've already coded a little bit, because I didn't think of anything to freaking code, but... Oh my gosh, display capture sucks. Hold on. Game capture, but like game capture doesn't work. Capture audio. Allow transparency. Hook rate. Okay. Capture window. I don't see it, bruh. We're just gonna have to use display capture. This sucks, but... Properties. Display capture is slow, and it's kind of laggy. Like, this is very smooth in my game. Everything feels choppy. I don't know why. Whenever I started streaming. Great. Alright, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and make an FPS counter. I'm also gonna download Orchestrator, because that's what I use for my UI. I like visual scripting for UI. It's fun. Like, genuinely. Visual scripting is fun for UI. Anything else is awful. I hate it. It's genuinely booty cheeks for anything else. Because there's just so much, like, coding is just so much better. Like, this would probably be, like, in visual code, like, this would be, like, 1 frickin' thousand trillion blocks. Just nonsense. But for just changing scenes in visual coding, it's just, dot change scene to file, dot change scene to file, with a get underscore scene node, and, it's just very simple with your node attached to it. You know what? I can just get it from my other project. I don't know why it's taking super long time to load. Here it is. Project plugins. Okay, Orchestrator should be working. Reload current project. Boom. Orchestrator loaded. Everything looks fine. Nothing's really choppy anymore. At least for me. Okay, I want to make an FPS counter. So, user interface FPS counter. I spelled that awful. FPS counter, and I'll attach a... I'll just attach a DD script file to it. Oh yeah, I'll probably want to attach this to a label. I know what I'm thinking. Okay, PS. Just do that. And then I'll go to my script. Why is this enabled, bro? Huh? Why is it enabled? I disabled it. I should make a data folder, shouldn't I? Oh my gosh. Data. Yo! Freaking deleting that. I have to go to my documents. I can't just not do that. Alright. There we go. It's finally working. My gosh. FPS counter.gd. Label. Wait, I just realized I don't have a scripts folder. And I already created a script. Oops. Okay, I need to organize some stuff. I also need to do this. Editor layout. Best. Okay. I love that I can do that. I absolutely love that. And I can see that in real time. That's awesome. Although you guys can't see it. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'll just keep it right here. Like this. Never mind. I'll just keep it like this. Okay. Is a singleton? Nah. Yeah. That's a float. Text equals. I forgot how I do this. FPS with this maybe, and then this, and then FPS. This should extend a label. That's why. There we go. But it is attached to my label, correct? Why is this called my main.voxelgi underscore data? What? This should be FPS counter. FPS counter. And this should go in scenes. This should go in data. Okay, that works. Now we will instantiate this. I kind of want to instantiate it in a script to make it faster. Okay, so I'll just func underscore spawn spawn underscore FPS counter. With geez. Var FPS var counter equals would that work? Oh, because I would have to. Oh. But I could also just do this. Although, I could just define it in a constant. FPS counter equals scenes. Copy path. This should be a preload. 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 FPS counter dot tscn. Why is that a res? This should be tscn. Okay, there we go. FPS counter dot tscn. Then we would have to add underscore child. Why not? Ah, frick this, bro. Frick this, frick this, frick this, frick this, frick this, frick this. Frick this, frick this. I'm just gonna create a new folder, name this UI. Put that up top there. Add a new folder as a child of that. Name this FPS account and instantiate it. Fun. Removing that. Don't save. Main.gd should go not anywhere because that's not a scene, like pro. This should go in scenes. Oh, we are in scenes. Then let's create a new scene. FPS counter. So to be a type user interface, we'll add a label node. FPS 0. Now we just need to add a script. .g. Boom. Actually, I do want to instantiate via code. GScript, this will be main.gd. We'll put this in scripts. Alright, now we're gonna do func, although yeah. Const FPS equals preload FPS counter.tscn func spawn underscore counter. Then we will do FPS counter dot instantiate. Then we will do add underscore child FPS counter. Add underscore parent. Add underscore sibling. Add underscore what? What? Would it work? It doesn't work. Okay, I'm just freaking doing this via code. Like, or not via code. I can still keep that though, because I might use that later. FPS counter. Then I'll instantiate this. FPS counter.tscn. Perfect. Yeah. See, now it works. Anyone watching this? Oh man. Alright then. Okay. Four errors. Oh my gosh. This freaking O script freaking thingy makes me freaking want to frick. Without global illumination, with voxel GI. This looks pretty nice, right? Wait, hold on. This is, what do you guys think looks better? This is sign distance field global illumination. Okay, kind of looks just there. It's not the best. This is voxel global illumination. Doesn't that look like so good? I don't know. I really love it. But anyways, I'm gonna model the room now. Just like add a add a cube, and then we can do some stuff. It shouldn't be that hard. We're just making little rooms, right? So I suck at Blender, so I'm just like doing everything the easiest way. So if I'm doing anything wrong, please let me know. Like the numbers and stuff or whatever thing you have to do whatever thingy. I don't know. But yeah. I'm trying to figure out like what's the right size. Sometimes it does that. Oh my gosh. Also, it should be long side this way. What the heck? There's no long side. Got it. I've just added a sun. Maybe this will help some. Sun looks awful. Area light. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I guess I'm using this. I feel so smart. I just did RX90 and that did it what I wanted to do, kinda. I feel like a genius. Cause call my name and save me from the dark. Actually, RY90? No. So it's RZ90. No, because that would just move it forward. Oh, it was. It was RZ90. There's the knife. What?